Hey everyone, welcome to NextTech US, your go-to spot for honest smartphone reviews, tech updates, and the best budget gadgets in the USA and beyond. Today we're talking about the Oppo A97, a budget-friendly phone that's turning heads with its impressive specs and recent updates. Is it still worth it in 2025? Let's dive right in. The Oppo A97 features a clean, minimalist design with a matte finish, available in deep sea blue and quiet night black. It sports a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD with a 90 Hz refresh rate, smooth for scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Yes, you heard that right, massive storage at this price point. Plus, there's virtual RAM expansion up to 19 GB for extra smooth multitasking. For photography, the Oppo A97 packs a dual-camera setup, a 48-megapixel main sensor, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It's not a flagship shooter, but it handles daylight shots decently. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera, great for video calls and casual selfies. Powering the device is a huge 5,000 mAh battery with 33 fast SuperVOOC fast charging. You can easily get a full day of use, and a quick 30-minute charge can top it up significantly. Here's the latest. Oppo has rolled out ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 for the A97 in several regions. This update brings smoother animations, improved privacy controls, enhanced RAM management, and a refreshed UI design. Plus, there's a new feature called Smart Image Matting, allowing you to easily cut out objects from photos, perfect for social media creatives. The update also optimizes battery performance and improves gaming with AI frame boost technology. So, is the Oppo A97 still worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you're after solid performance, excellent battery life, 5G connectivity, and now the latest ColorOS 14 update, all on a budget. Let me know what you think about the Oppo A97 in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one.